This video illustrates the steps required to install a roof mount using a low pro mount and assumes you have already selected your best mounting option and location. First, identify the living and non-living areas, making sure that the bottom of the foot is up at least 3 shingles from the edge of the roof. Next, locate the center of a rafter under the shingle that will provide a level surface for the mount. If a level surface cannot be found, use the standard or extended mount. The center of the 2 bolts must always be placed into the center of a rafter, which is 1.5 inches wide. Using a stud finder is the easiest way to find a rafter. You can also look for nail heads and measure back to your spot. Nails are usually on 24-inch or 16-inch centers. Then you'll know where the rafter is located. A third option is to gently tap on the roof surface until you hear and feel a solid thud. The mast foot is secured using 6 bolts, 2 center bolts secured into a rafter, and 4 corner bolts secured through the roof surface. It's best to install the top center bolt first. Once you've determined the location of the rafter, mark the drilling location for the top center hole of the footplate. You will be using 3-inch long by 5/16 inch diameter lag bolts for the 2 center holes. Be sure to drill only 2.5 inches deep for the 3-inch lag bolt. You want to leave about a 1/2 inch of material at the end of the hole for the lag bolt to bite into. Then pre-drill the hole using a 7/32 or 3/16 inch drill bit. Apply bishop tape to the bottom of the footplate. Mount the footplate with the first lag bolt using a drill torque setting that will drive the lag but not cause injury or damage. Tighten the bolt enough that it is snug, not tight, so you can allow for some movement to align the bottom center hole with the rafter. Now, level the footplate by lining it up to the edge of the shingles. With the footplate level, you can now pre-drill the 5 remaining holes. Be sure there is enough pressure on the footplate so the bishop tape will not fold onto itself. Install the remaining 3-inch bolt in the bottom center hole. Install the 4 2-inch long bolts in the corner holes. Next, fully tighten all of the lag bolts, including the top center bolt, using 1/2 inch socket and ratchet. Finally, level the mast. If using the bubble level inside of the mast, it must be removed and reseated to ensure it will provide an accurate reading. Then, verify mast is level and plumb using a magnetic torpedo level. Fully tighten all 4 of the mast lockdown bolts. And double check to verify the mast is level and plumb. For more information, search the doc keyword ODU mounting.